Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your Amazon shopping cart. When shopping on Amazon, your cart can sometimes get cluttered with forgotten items, test buys, or leftovers from browsing. In order to clear your cart so that it can be helpful to avoid accidental purchase, follow through the steps. First of all, open your Amazon application on your device and then make sure that you're logged in. From the home page, go ahead and tap on the cart icon at the bottom center. All of the items that you've added into the cart will be displayed on the screen. To clear or delete an item, tap the delete button right underneath your item's description. Once you do that, the item will be deleted immediately. Repeat this step for every other item you want to delete, and that's it. You have now cleared your Amazon shopping cart quickly and easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.